guys, it's Romina wearing my Stang Gang limited edition DVP Squad shirt. This shirt was dedicated to all of our Newedge guys. Make sure to get one now. They're almost sold out and it's not coming back.
Alright, what's going on everyone? Derek here today bringing you all another video. We are going to be jumping in blue 2 valve. You guys probably saw last week we corrected a couple things on the car, including the new clamp which holds on the coolant line to the heater core. You guys know it popped off about 2 or 3 weeks ago. Put the whole car up in smoke and absolutely scared the mess out of me. We popped in a new battery and the car finally starts. It finally unlocks. Listen. Battery juice, baby. Listen up guys, we have a new drop coming on my brand new business, www.stangsupply.com. So you can probably tell I am rocking the DVP / blue 2 valve DVP Squad Stang Gang shirt, and we honestly have like 10 shirts left. If you guys want to join the movement for my Newedge boys out there, go to the link in the description, snag yourself one of those last shirts, because once they're gone, they're never coming back. And we have a new drop December 1st. You guys are gonna absolutely love it. Coyote boys, Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 3, get ready. No, stop it, Romina. Why would you do that? Why would you honestly do that? Can you read fucking Portugal?
Portugal?
Portuguese. How am I gonna navigate this?
Drop a like up on this video if you want to see more Derek rages.
No, dude.
I'll make it happen.
I'm just gonna take the 2 valve and absolutely dog the vet in it.
Hey! No way.
Just saying.
No way.
How would you feel if this car actually just blew the brakes off the vet?
I don't think that's gonna happen.
I mean, they make about the same power. Just, you know, the vet's on auto. How would you feel though? Would you be upset?
I mean, I might curl up in a ball and cry for the remainder of the day,
I mean,
but...
Let's race them. I know you're scared to get on your car, like you're so scared to go full throttle, so there's definitely a chance I'm winning.
I need to get a little more comfortable with the car, and then maybe we can.
No.
I'm just...
You've had more than enough time
I know.
to learn the car. Guys, comment down below, do you want to see a roll race between blue 2 valve and the C7 Corvette Karma? I'm down to do it. And I know with Romina driving, because she's going to be the only one racing her car.
Oh yeah.
She's scared. She's honestly scared to smack it in her car. So I'm not too worried, honestly.
I'm just scared to break something.
Let us know, guys, who's going to win. Other than the blue 2 valve and Karma C7 talk, there's kind of something we have to address. We went through boot camp before, kind of failed. We went through boot camp again, kind of failed.
We did not fail, first of all.
Listen, I'm gonna make a deal with you guys and I'm gonna place a bet right now. I feel like I have totally failed as an ex-boyfriend, now fiance with Romina, and when it comes to driving manual. She's obviously tackled naturally aspirated Lucifer. She's tackled 700 horsepower Lucifer in this very parking lot. But I don't think she's driven blue 2 valve yet, and it's great to have the car back on the channel. It's running, it's still together in one piece. Things like a freaking lion, man, it keeps on going. This is where I'm gonna put my ass on the line and make a bet with you guys right now. When we hit January 1st of 2022, and if Romina cannot drive us to this very location in a manual car, then I am gonna owe 5 of you guys watching this video right now. Stang Supply drops from January 1st. That's gonna consist of the merch, the jet tags, the stickers, and maybe some cash prizes as well, because that's how confident I am to get her to learn this flawlessly, because you know, whatever events we go to, I have tons of cars I would love to bring, including blue, Lucifer, and the Fox. Kinda hard, I can only drive one at a time, and she doesn't know manual yet. We gotta change this, Romina. Like, we have to. What's been going on?
We haven't been driving.
You haven't asked.
You haven't offered. You never have gas.
Oh, okay. Now, okay, we're talking the cap. They see me on my videos every day filling up that Corvette when I drive it. Every time.
Well, we're not talking about the Corvette right now,
yeah,
are we?
Okay. What do you think about that bet, though? January 1st, 2022, do you think you can tackle learning manual, you know, efficient enough to where you could drive to this location on the street? It's right down one road.
I mean, are you down to commit?
I'm down to commit. I have no choice. I have no choice right now.
An hour of your time, like 2 days a week. I'll need.
Are we doing it?
I mean, yeah.
All right, guys, January 1st, 2022. If she can't drive manual, respectably, I owe 5 of you all the whole complete drop January 1st.
So it's not gonna happen. I've got this. I've got this. Just give me the keys.
Guys, I gave her the car that doesn't really drive that good. Oh man, this is gonna be crazy. Is your seat good?
Yeah, I'm just getting a little sweaty, you know? I'm nervous.
It's like 30 degrees. This is still a continuous clip, guys. I'm not gonna cut it because she's gonna get it first try. If you don't, you gotta do 5 push-ups. I'm dead serious. You cannot let me down right now. Here we go. Oh my Lord, this is real. You good? Take time. That's what Release the clutch slowly and feather it. You got it. Oh! Release the clutch. You got it. Oh, she got it. Let's go. I'm telling you, we are not gonna lose this bet. I refuse to lose it. That right there just gave me more hope than anything. She hasn't driven manual in months, almost a year probably, since the last time she drove Lucifer, excuse me. So she knocked that right out of the park, first go. All right, little rough. Let's go. Dude, that car looks sick. Damn, I haven't seen that thing rolling from the outside in forever. It looks good. You didn't install it yet.
2 out of 2.
Good job. Hey, they're screwed. They're done.
Yep.
They're
Nobody's
done.
getting no free
But you
money
have to
here.
drive it here though. Parking lot's one thing, main roads with red lights, and we remember what happened that one time someone was behind you and you panicked. You barely made it out of the neighborhood.
I thought I was gonna back into somebody.
Many of you think I'm probably cheating at my own game, but I swear to God, I swear it on everything. She hasn't driven manual since the last Lucifer video. It's not that bad, right?
I haven't driven in months.
I just said that. I was like, they're gonna think we're cheating at our own game.
No.
I swear to God, like you haven't driven since the last Lucifer video.
Yeah. I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna...
Oh my goodness, that is so good.
It has a little bit of a bump, I feel like.
Well, it's just because the car is not idling as smooth as can be. You're killing it right now. Give her gas, give her gas. Release clutch. There you go.
I just need to learn exactly where.
Well, you're definitely, I can tell you're finding the release point a lot better. Actually, I think you're doing better on this car than you did Lucifer.
I feel like I am too, actually. I wasn't even here.
She is... All right, stop. Where are you going? That was a slow second gear, but she got it. She needs to learn her RPMs. Like, she doesn't understand like when to shift. Like, she just thinks going into second gear is what you should do. But she's getting there. Oh, look at her. She thinks she's hot shit because she can park now. Now she's reversing. Dude, she's a pro. Holy shit. She's a pro. Hey, why are you so good at this? Oh, cocky motherfucker. I was just bragging too, and you sold. You got...
Like, I got this reversed.
Like, you were perfectly parked. Now look at the lines. You're all over
I don't
them.
want to look at the
All right, start her up. Get her going again. Hey, do me a favor. When you go this way, give it a little bit in first gear.
Alright.
Ah, this is her downfall. This is the downfall.
How do you manual people not get tired like your feet? My feet are tired. That was perfect.
How you feel?
A little nervous that I stalled 3 times or 2 times, whatever.
You're doing really good though. Give her a rev. All right, it's green light. People are behind you. They're waiting. They're waiting. They're still waiting. It's green. It's green. Ooh, you almost sent it. You almost lost it. Stop sign. Stop sign. All right, good job. Good job. All right, no one's behind you. It's green though. So you're good.
Goddamn.
Woman, you better feather that clutch better than that.
I know. I just get nervous.
So you guys can probably tell we have a full-blown training course going on right now. I'm actually gonna put this down and I'm gonna focus with her for just a moment because she's truly getting it. She really is. It's just the nerves. Like the one time we went driving in Lucifer, you had someone behind you.
Yeah.
And the nerves absolutely destroyed her. So we gotta work on that. We gotta work on the starting. You got stops down pretty well. It's just you get too nervous and you forget all technique and you stall it out. So we're gonna work with this a little bit. We'll pick you guys up in just a moment. We gotta utilize the daylight. But hey, drop her a like, man. She's doing great. You're actually surprising me. I didn't think you were gonna get, especially this car. This car's tough to drive. It's probably one of the hardest I have because one, the idle is a little shaky because of the noisy math and the clutch is super heavy on this. It's heavy. So
It is. My foot hurts.
yeah, you're doing good, but we'll see you guys in just a moment. So it's about 20 minutes later. Are you ready for your final exam on day 1? We're gonna take them along with us right now.
Huh?
Are you ready for the final exam, day 1?
Okay,
We have a series of tests.
What is it?
And depending on how you react to them, is whether or not we pass day 1 of boot camp.
Okay.
You think you got it?
I got it.
All right, let's do it. What's step number 1 with first starting your car in the morning?
Let it warm up.
Wow. Wow.
I've got a Corvette. I know this now.
There's a dog, there's a dog, there's a dog. Okay, he saved his life. Good job. All right, people behind us, let's roll. All right, this is a yield. There's actually a car coming. And he passed. All right, you're clear, you're clear. Stop sign. All right, you're clear. Red light. How's that leg feeling?
I feel like I'm gonna have all these muscles in this leg and not this
Yeah, all this traffic today. God, we're on Broad Street. These red lights take forever. Don't they? Green light.
leg. You're a shit.
Come on, let's go. Oh, we forgot the gas. Red light, red light, red light. Dang, woman. Green light. Oh no, the clutch gets dumped, we forget about our gas pedal, and all hell breaks loose. We forget everything we learned. Let's go, there's people behind us. What are you doing? You're gonna get me in a fight. Stop sign.
I need lights on.
We don't have lights. I think we're gonna tackle it and like mid-December you're gonna drive us here. I think you can totally do it.
I think so too. I mean, I feel like the scenarios help me. Like you make me stop like quickly
you have to
quick,
learn. It's
like,
a different process.
to react. Yeah, because my reaction right now with the automatic car is just like brake. That's it.
Yep.
So now it's like a clutch, brake, neutral.
It
like,
throws a lot into the mix.
Yeah. So maybe do like a little, for those that, you know, are beeping at me because I stalled out. That's a step, you know.
Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little video today. We're rushing the daylight. It sucks. 5:30. It gets absolutely pitch black here.
5 o'clock.
Yeah, is it 5 now?
Yeah.
All right, we need to hustle home because I don't have lights. The car isn't quite legal yet, and we can't get stuck out or pulled over or anything. So I gotta get this car home. But again, hope you guys enjoyed. Romina's absolutely killing it. Drop a comment, drop a like for her. Caught me by surprise tremendously. Like, she jumped in, you guys saw firsthand raw footage. She took off by herself. So you know, hey, I'll let you, when you learn it, I'll let you take Blue to work whenever you want. I don't care. But you need to learn it. You need to keep practicing. We gotta come out here more often. So
Yeah.
got anything to say to the people?
Wish me luck. I know you guys want me to lose so you can win that free merch, but
Hey, listen, a parking lot's different than the main roads.
yeah,
If you stall once, we fail, though. That's the thing. Yeah.
I thought I just had to make it.
No, oh no, I mean, anybody could make it.
You stall.
I could flint. I never stall in traffic. Yeah, you know that's a cap. All right, guys, take care. We'll catch you tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Make sure you go sign up on www.stayingsupply.com. And we got a new job coming. Stay tuned. But until next time, we'll see you later.